Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the E sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The E sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word im, or at the middle of the word, like tim, or at the end of the word, like nghĩ. Now let's see how to pronounce the E sound. First, let's talk about your tongue. The tip of your tongue touches the upper teeth. The body of your tongue touches the hard palate. Tension your tongue and put it a little bit forward. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth slightly. Stretch your lips as wide as possible and tension them. Okay, now let's try to say the sound. E, 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 im, tim, nghĩ. And the last thing I want to say about the E sound, that it can be a long sound or a short sound. Depends on the position of the E in word. So for example, when the E sound occurs at the beginning of the word or after consonants, it's going to be a long sound. But when it follows some vowels, it's going to be a short sound. I'm going to talk about that in the second part of this video. Now let's practice saying the E sound in words. First, the E at the beginning of the word. I'm going to say the word first, then it will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the sound. The first word is in, im, im, in. The E sound at the middle of the word. Kim, im,
Nhiễm, thím,
đỉnh, kịp, kín, chín, thích, kỹ, nghĩ, bí, chuối. When the E sound occurs at the end of word after a single vowel, it's gonna be a short sound. So you have to shorten the E sound at the end of word. And there is one thing you have to do is prolong the vowel that comes before the E sound. For example, here I have the word ui. So you can hear that in this word, the U sound is very long, but the E sound is very short. Oi, oi, đói, hỏi, tỏi, hai, tai, chai, mai, mới, rơi, vui, túi, củi, cúi, mũi, chổi, hai tai, Cái kim. Đính chính. Linh tính. Chơi vơi. Nhịp tim. Tai hại. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the E sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Tối mai chi đi thi. Now a little bit faster. Tối mai chi đi thi. Now with normal speed. Tối mai chi đi thi. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.